explore a new dish. Yeah, we were doing the tasting and we were trying to taste new things, correct? Veronica, hi. So, can we start tasting it? Just little bit only first. Is it yummy? Yeah. When we were eating, did you hear anything like crunchy?
No.
Sloppy?
No.
Quiet?
Yeah. Quiet.
It's very quiet, yeah. And it tastes like salty?
No.
Sweet?
No.
Sweet?
No.
It's not sweet?
No.
It is sweet. Eat. You can eat. Is it sweet?
No. It's not mine.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
I think it is sweet.
I do.
Yeah. And how it smells like. Yummy. Sweet smell.
It smells. It smells good to me.
Can we touch it? No, huh?
No. I'm not going to get dirty.
Very oily if we will touch it, huh?
Yeah.
So it looks like oily to me.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oil is not good.
Mm-hmm.
Get sick by oil.
No. It's okay. Do you like that, Maya? Dallas?
No.
Oh, what about Veronica?
Yes.
You like it? Keep on eating.
Not Jack.
You can finish it. Jack didn't like it. Why? Oh. What about you?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
What about you?
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. What about Mark? Mark, did you like it?
Okay.
Okay. I think. And is it a strawberry?
No.
Is it ice cream?
No.
Is that yogurt?
No.
What is that though?
I don't know.
Grains.
Yeah.
It's very good. It's a kind of a cereal. Yeah. Okay, that's a very good idea to have something new. Okay, me too. Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.